Hi. Hi, you guys. It's 12:52 a.m. 12:52. I'm tired. Very. Last night I slept from 10:50 all the way till 8:30, and I would have slept longer, but I had to get up to go somewhere. So yeah. It's 1 a.m. I'm tired. I'm not full of energy. No. But today, this morning, yeah, I'm going to be attempting a wash and go. Bye. I can't think of her name right now. Back to YouTube because I can't think of it. Oh yeah, nothing's loading because my phone's connected to my camera onto my computer. All of this work just to film a video at 1 a.m. Anyways, I am going to be doing Jalen's wash and go combo that she did at 4 a.m. but I'm doing it at 1 a.m. Probably won't get done until 2 a.m. and I'm trying to get up early tomorrow. Yeah, right. I am using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. I am also using the Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey Shine Pomade, and also the classic Eco Styler Olive Oil. My hair is extremely soaking wet because I just hopped right out of the shower and put that bag on my head. I don't know how I got myself into this, honestly. I truly don't. My hair is still super long. She went ham on this leave-in conditioner. I'm about to go ham too because my hair needs this moisture. And it smells so good. It legit smells like blueberries. And I have a dimming brush on deck. It's just all about whether or not I'm gonna use it. She didn't use any styling tools, but see, my hair needs something. It needs something. Yeah, I'm gonna go ham in on this like she did. I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit more. In her video, she actually used like some kind of oil, but my scalp is dry and I need some heavy duty stuff. I'm just going in with some of this on my scalp because baby, it needed. And then I'm just kind of bringing it down my hair. Take it and just smooth it on top of my hair. I'm just gonna split the hair and split the section in half. I go in with a lot, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I go ham on the Eco. I use a lot of it. So that's why I'm glad she like heavy loaded her Eco Styler, her moisturizer, because I go heavy on the gel. I use enough for what's good enough for me. Put this in half, grab my dimming brush, start at the ends, brush it. This super smooth. Boom. Take it, scrunch it up. So shake it out a bit. And boom, first section done. Tangle. Look at that wrist. Feel me? You wanna see the juiciness? Yes, ma'am. Like, y'all see this? Do y'all really see this though? Like, do y'all see these curls? Baby, they're juicy. We smoothing, we riding, we just woo. Going in on these haters, you feel me? I'm talking really low because can't be loud because my people is asleep and they're right across the hall with the door open. Rubbing this stuff on my scalp, it feels so good. Getting up in the roots first and going straight to the ends with the rest, and then making all the rest of it go in between. Boom. And now my battery almost dead. But I'm gonna finish up my hair, you guys, and come back when I'm done, because I'm tired. So I'm about to roll straight through this. I come back when I'm done. Okay, you guys, I am back and better. I'm lying, I'm so tired. It's 2:17 a.m. Took me about an hour to get this done. Hopefully it's worth it, because I swear if it's not. But as of right now, my hair just feels super soft and just delectable. I'm gonna leave my hair wet when I go to sleep. I'm just gonna tie it up. If you want to know how I tie my hair up at night, then refer to the video in the iCard somewhere here or here. But with that being said, I'm about to give y'all a spin around of the wet look, and then I'm gonna head to bed because I'm tired, and I'm gonna get up in the morning and show you guys how it came out. So 360. So that's the whole 360. And with that being said, I'm about to hop into bed. So good night. What's up, you guys? It is the next day. It is 12:50 the following day. I legit just took my hair down. I probably should have put on a different shirt so you guys can see, but my hair is still extremely wet. Like I said, I just took my hair down. Like, just took my hair down. I legit just took the scarf off and I just let my hair fall how it fell. I'm not really gonna touch it too much because I want it to dry like how it would dry. But with these curls in the front, they're kind of like real clumped up and stuck to my head, so I'm just kind of pulling them down a bit. But literally with everything, I'm just leaving it how it would be, kind of going in this middle section though and kind of tussling it up a bit because it's a little indentation in it from something. But here's how my hair's looking. Extremely shiny, extremely bouncy. It shrunk up quite a bit, but I love shrinkage, so I'm just gonna let my hair continue to dry, and then I'll be back when it's completely dry. Probably back before the sun sets, so probably around like 6ish, and I'll see you guys in a few hours. What's up, you guys? It is actually 12:04 the next day, officially about 36 hours I think after I've completed my hair. This is what it is looking like. It's actually kind of crunchy, which I personally love. It's clumped up very nicely. Like I said, it's crunchy, which is actually what I like in my hair. This is the first time my hair has been crunchy in forever, and I love crunch. It lasts so much longer. I'm gonna give y'all a view of the back. I haven't even really seen the back yet. That's what the back looks like. So what would I give this wash and go? I honestly give it a 10 out of 10. It shrunk up like how I wanted. It's crunchy like how I wanted it. It does kind of differ from hers. I'm actually not going to stretch my hair like how she did because I like my hair like this. But as of like the product she used, I love it. Her 4 a.m. wash and go was my 2 a.m. wash and go, and I loved it. And this is the results that I got. Yesterday it was not dry at 6 o'clock in the evening, so I just came back. Now I already know that it's gonna last me quite a few days because one, it's nice and moisturized. I use a lot of that product and the product is very moisturizing, so I know that that's gonna give me a lot of moisture, and the fact that this gel, the fact that I didn't really add any water, I just worked on damp hair, it really helped to provide like a cast on my hair and help the gel like make it so that it became crunchy, so that this will last me quite a few days. But this is honestly one of the first times I have really have fallen in love with my hair since like December of 2018. So I really like the way this came out. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So that being said, I'm gonna end this here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Put down below your wash meal combos that you absolutely love. This is definitely going in the books for me. So yeah, be safe, be blessed, be humble. It's a cruel, cold world out there, and I see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. I love y'all. Peace out. Gang, gang. Tschüss.